Okay, Lila, what are you eating tonight?
Carrot.
Carrots. Yummy. Mmm. Oh, make sure you get them all off your lip. You don't want to lick your bottom lip at all? Get your hand out of there. Come on. Mmm. It's yummy. Are you copying Mommy's mouth when you're licking your lips like that? You're funny. That's good, huh? Carrots.
Yummy.
Get that stuff on the side of her face.
She's got a mustache.
No, but scoop that up on her right side. What's your tongue doing every time, Bunny?
No, didn't do it that time. Ah. There we go.
Right. Get a cameo of Jasper drinking his water.